In another tutorial, we talk a little bit more about generating leads with the Claude AI totally for free. Today, I'm going to be focusing on just exactly with the actual meta ads. So, the first step is the reverse engineering your ICP. So, we have connected our meta directly with the cloud. So what we need to do is to make this process really fast. So finding your exact buyers, if you give an AI a generic target like I wanted to sell web designs to business owners, they will be generating low quality results. We did a Cloud to print point high converting triggers. So what we're doing here is to fed the Cloud details about your absolute best past clients and force this to extract the hidden more graphic and behavior attributes. So paste this specific prompt. But first, what I want to do is to go into iCloud. I'm going to open my actual chat. I'm going to go for my projects, and here I'm going to start with an actual new project. This, for example, is going to be my brand CEO elements, and here I'm going to start to I want you to analyze my target customer profile. And here my best clients are, you can insert 2 or 3 examples of businesses you helped or what you to help. Here then you wanted to break down their common patterns across the actual company size. You can tell the operational pain points, I guess, the tech stack vulnerabilities, and exact job titles. And it's going to be really important to add this, of course. Don't give me generic categories. Give me a hyper specific description of who has the highest buying intent for my services. And this is the part where you wanted to go back directly into your website. For example, in my case, could be the actual Shopify. I'm going to hit for the element that says logged at the end, and I'm going to have access directly into my dashboard. Directly into my dashboard, what I do is to go directly into my customers and try to look for 3 customers that I currently have available inside here. So for example, I select them. I do have the information. Let's say, for example, this, I copy that information and I paste that directly inside here. So my base clients out, but in this case, for example, we're talking about companies, not about people. So you wanted to tail that information there. And basically here, Cloudy might be asking you for more stuff. Look at this output. Cloudy didn't just give a niche, it gave just the actual exact operational trigger incorporated header that makes someone wanted to open their wallet. In my case, since I haven't added anything about my company, anything about my clients, is going to be asking me questions. For example, what kind of services do you sell? Let's say I am a consultant, I am an agency. So how will you share the best client data? I will describe them from memory. For example, what do you already know about your top clients? I know the job titles they bought, I know the company size and the industry verticals. And if I don't absolutely know anything about it, let's go for the element that says continue and go for sale. With this information, the actual cloud will be understanding a little bit more about this kind of elements. For example, now give me the actual description. What job titles bought from you? So for example, let's say a logistic company only. What were they trying to fix when they hired you? Let's say, for example, they wanted to get more customer support. What does the consultancy agency actually do? They do marketing. There we go. Let's see if I'm okay with that, or let's see if they needed, of course, an actual new answer in order for continuing, right? So the logistic company only, they wanted to get more customer support, they do the actual marketing. I think it's a little more basic, but still I think the actual cloud can actually work with that information. So for example, that's still solid. If you click once, make the hyper specific. What sizes were the logic companies? In my case, I'm going to go for the solo, the owner. Now online presence is really hard to find them, right? So the more information I give them, the more infrastructure they're going to be giving me. Now, scrapping the raw context from $0, the cloud told us exactly who to look for. So if you go to the platform like the Apollo or the Origami AI, they register completely free account. You can use the free monthly credits these platforms hand you to search for the precise job title and company profiles. So filter your search checkbox and export them into Flash. But I think the feeding of the data actually works for me with the cloud for the deep enrichment. The hyper personalization at scale, if you send the exact same generic template to all 50 people, you go straight to the spam folder. So you use the exact prompt set up to turn RADA into bespoke multi-angle outreach attack. So you can, for example, tell them to analyze the attached list of leads if you already have them. For every single line, you can read the company name and the industry sector. But basically here, to activate the cloud artifacts for your sales dashboard, you want to watch what happens on the right side of my actual screen. Because we asked for the structure outputs, in my case, I ask for the built-in element. For example, here's my hat advanced buyer, the company size, decision maker, the car problem, what they actually say, what they actually mean, and here I have my actual intents. Actually, this actually really worked really fun, and actually does really great work. So sending and collecting cash, take your personalized copy pictures from the cloud and plug them into the free tire sequence in the like instantly simple send them out manually via free business software. So I have dropped a ICP prompt structures that you can try them out into a free scrapping tool combinations and my serious prompt copy templates down to the description below. If you don't find it, you can let me know into the comments below so we can try out a little bit more here directly into the cloud. So with this information, we have touched the break out of the video, so don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel and watch some more great tools like this. Thank you so much for watching the video, and hopefully with all this being said, we can see you all next time.